Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a Enlan knife, so a really budget oriented, low priced folder, and it has been really a long time since I got a knife from Enlan. So firstly, it is a Chinese company that is putting out some really interesting designs, mainly in the budget price point. So you are going to pay around $6 for this. I will put a link into the description. If you want, you can check out the site where I bought it, and let's see what we have here. So the knife, in my opinion, is really similar in design to a Spyderco Techno. So we have a overall stainless steel construction. The model number is EW105. We have a nice acid stone wash or black wash with 8CR13 MOV blade. Really nothing extraordinary. This is a well-established blade steel, Chinese blade steel, so you will have no problems to resharpen it. And we have a overall length of 14.6 centimeters or 5.75 inches. The close length or the handle is 4.5 centimeters or 8.4 centimeters or 3.3 inches, and the blade length is 4.5 centimeters or 1.77 inches. So the blade thickness or blade width, is 3 centimeters or 1.18 inches. They are made in China, of course. You have a fairly usable pocket clip here. Only one position, you cannot change it. Probably the best way how to deploy the knife is the Spidey drop. But of course you can open it one-handed with no problem. If you are interested, how does it look inside? So I have disassembled the knife, and you have a plastic washer with a brass washer inside. The screws are thread locked, so you need to loosen them up. I did use just a butane torch because the adhesive was very strong. So yeah, nothing special there. The centering is off. I don't know if you can see it, but given the price point, I'm not surprised. Overall, a really nice design. So it is modeled after the Spyderco Techno, which is a $200+ knife. So if you are looking something similar, very inexpensive, then you can get the Enlan EW105. Standoff construction. Feels really good in the hand. Has nice ergonomics. Okay. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.